Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, I have some cases for your iPhone 13. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for the iPhone 13. I need to shout out Carl from Caseborne. He actually sent these cases out to me for a review. I like supporting Caseborne because they are a local company. They are from Texas, so he definitely has my support. But we're going to review it like any other case, make sure everything fits well. How does everything line up? Can you wireless charge with it? And just do our normal review. It looks like he sent me out almost every color of the case that he makes. It is there. They call it the R series, so let's get into it. So nice little packaging from them. 1 year premium warranty. It's okay to drop your phone. He does a lot of drop tests on Twitter, so again, go follow him on Twitter or Caseborne too. So he sent me all these cases. We will open these separately. I want to open this one first because it does say red on it, so let's get into it. So when you open up the box, you get this nice little pamphlet. Tells you the time, thank you for your business. Also some very important notes back here. Y'all can pause it and read it if y'all want to. This is what else you get in there, so let's see. Again, you get a little card that says thank you. Pause that in if you want to read that too. So here's the case itself. So that's the red, I guess. Little Caseborne design there. They do have the little plastic on here. Bam. The cutouts look pretty good. So let's see how it fits. Alright, so man, it actually goes great with the red color. Oh man, oh, okay. I like that. Look at that. This is a nice case with the red too and the black. Shout out to them. I like this. Let's see. A little branding there too. Let's check out the power button. The power button is easy to get to. The volume rockers work easy. Nice and tactile. Alright, so the little slider there, it's deep in there, but you can get to it definitely. Even without fingernails, I was able to get it there and turn it on and off. So it's on, now it's off. The cutouts at the bottom line up pretty well. This is a nice case. Let's see the overall fit. I mean, nice and snug on the top and bottom. Man, this is definitely, I like this red and black. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. Also lip action all the way around. So, like he says, it says, don't worry about dropping your phone. Look, I made a whole box go down. So, yeah, you don't have to worry about dropping your phone. It protects it. So let's see if you can wireless charge or not with the case on it. I don't think you have a problem. And there you go. You can wireless charge with the case on it without any issues. Let's check out what other colors he gave me real quick. I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, y'all. So he sent me out the black one and clear, which is great. And then this one, the psychedelic one with the different colors on there. That one's pretty cool. So when I was going through the boxes, I thought all of the cases were clear, but this has like a carbon fiber look with black and then also the one with the red. But it's also called the R series, but let's see how this black one looks on the red phone. Bam, so that's how that looks. So if you want to protect your phone, you don't care about showing off the beauty of it, you can actually pick up this case too. I think this one is pretty nice too. It has the same thing, so it fits the same way and everything else. It's just that the back is not clear. So which one do you like more? The one with the carbon fiber look, like these two here? Or do you like the ones with the clear back? Y'all let me know in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. Which one of these cases do you like the most? The one with the clear back or the carbon fiber look? You can pick up these cases from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 13. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day. No problem with that case on it.